Right, so it's time now for dessert. I can't allow Johan to leave without dessert. He's been complaining that I don't feed him. Every time he come on the show.
Like I say, you're making up. You're really making up this wrongs, and I appreciate it.
But this time, I want you to work for your food.
I don't understand. I thought me playing was working for your food.
Yeah, I want... You tell me, I hear you bake cake home.
I mean, I do think, but I don't know if it tastes good. That's the problem.
No man, I sure.
don't know.
So the fact that you're a baker now, I'm not a baker.
Neither am I.
I am afraid of flour sometimes.
Okay,
So that's why I bake sure
Gluten
when
is
I'm
used?
baking. And it's not gluten issues. It's dust issues. Mess issues.
I hear.
So when I'm rolling out a recipe, I make sure I have the recipe
Right.
when I'm doing any type of baking at all. So this, thanks to the folks at the Regal products, I'm making a nice quick bread.
Okay.
A little sweet bread because I'm going to be using some Regal raisins.
All right.
And we're also going to be using some Regal oats.
Sounds
I'm going to
good.
be using the quick oats, the quick oats from Regal, right? So it's a oatmeal and raisin bread.
Nice.
Real nice quick bread. I've had it. I've done it. We've done it like Sunday morning breakfast, just for a little different, you know. Nice sweet bread. Easy to do. I'm putting him in charge
This is not going to end well.
of dry ingredients.
All right. Oh, that's better. I can't
So
make too much.
dry
of it.
ingredients is going to be handled by Johan, and I'm going to handle the wet ingredients.
So what am I expected to do, sir?
So let's go. Flour
Ready?
in your bowl.
Okay.
So you're basically mixing all the dry ingredients together. So we're going in with the flour.
Right, flour,
We
what is
have baking soda and baking powder.
All right, so let's go with that.
Baking soda
Baking soda, and then we have baking powder.
and baking powder.
Lovely.
You're looking like a baker.
Looks good this
Looks good with you. Sugar,
right.
simple brown sugar for that little sweetness. Yeah, well, yeah.
That's it.
It's in there. It's in there.
All right, what we do next?
Cinnamon.
All right. Lovely.
And some salt.
Okay.
And some salt.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna help you because I want to get some Regal oats in there.
Lovely.
So I'm gonna get about 2/3 cup of the Regal oats. So this is a 1/3 cup, so I get 2 in there. My math should be good there. This is a 1/3 cup, 2/3. So my math should be good. So my brother, you mix that together, make sure that's incorporated well. And I'm gonna start working on the wet ingredients. So this is a cup of milk. So once you, the layman terms here, once you're working with baking soda, you need a little acidity, and this is some vinegar to add to some milk, just to activate the baking soda. I'm not going beyond that to explain because
We don't want to go to the chemistry.
No.
You sure?
No. And
Okay. I'm here to learn today.
I barely passed chemistry in school, and that was about it. So just get that going there. Once that kind of mixes in that little acidity, that's fine. I now have 1 egg. And I just can't.
Good catch. Good save.
You Regal oats want to run away from me there, though.
Quick save. Could have been that disaster.
Could have been a disaster.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been my first in the kitchen. So I beat my egg.
You have me here, so anything possible at this point. Huh?
I beat my egg and I add some melted butter to my eggs. So what I like, how simple sometimes these quick baking recipes, these quick bread recipes are. And I pour this in here. Is really all you do is add wet to dry, mix in the oven.
Gotcha.
And Joel is a baker. They can't take up a joke and bake. Once I could follow a recipe,
it's possible.
It's possible. So just before we add the wet to the dry, I have some Regal raisins that I just want you to add in there and make sure you coat the raisins. So the reasons we're adding the raisins directly into the flour and coating is so that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the bread. So if you watch our wonderful finished product here, you see all the raisins nicely
distributed. And at the top. Lovely.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
So just make sure it's all coated.
Yeah, we coated them, man.
We coated them. And I want you to hold the wet now. We're exchanging. And you pour the wet in there.
Oh, I have a big wok.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's it.
And let's go.
You ready?
Let's go.
It's a whole thing.
On your marks, set. This is not that dramatic. And guys, all you do is take the wet and the dry, and really just start kind of mixing it and folding it in together. One of the things I've learned with this is that you don't want to over mix.
Gotcha.
So once it comes together and the flour and the dry ingredients kind of incorporates with the wet ingredients properly, you stop seeing flour,
Right.
you stop and you pour and you bake. So that's just about it. Nice quick mix. I like to turn my bowl, so kind of just make sure you get, it look cool too now. Look, it's like, a cup of
Actually,
Juman.
just tell me, it's not that dramatic.
It's not that dramatic. It's not that dramatic. The other piece of magic now
Right.
is that we try to get this in here without making mess.
We have bets going for this one too?
We are better going for
Alright,
this
great.
one.
My
too.
hand here,
Yeah.
Let's see, man. Let's see. Almost there. Almost there.
Almost cause for celebration here.
Almost. I feel they want to crack
I
and
mean,
finish this celebration.
yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at
Not
all.
bad. Not bad. This goes in the oven.
Right.
And bakes for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
And that's just about it, 35 to 40 minutes. You're not sure what to do for Dad this Sunday morning. You don't want to just give him
No, but what's
plain
happening?
bread.
What's happening? Everybody's going to be exhausted after coming home from my concert this Saturday night.
When
right?
you go to your uncle
When
on
you go
Saturday
to my
night,
show this Saturday night,
this
and
is
you
the
go out and you
recipe.
had such a good time and you come home tired from all the beautiful music here and you jump in and you jump up in your seat and you scream down the place, we could do that bread for Dad on the Sunday.
You go on cupofjoecaribbean.com and you get this recipe for my oatmeal and raisin bread. You whip it up for Dad on Sunday morning, and that's a perfect Father's Day weekend. Let's just make sure this bread is tasting
Let me
good
taste
before
it.
we
Let me
tell
take a
people.
taste. Let me take a
Before we
taste.
tell the people to take it. Do you mind if I get a slice for you?
No, sure, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I love a little sweet
I
bread.
break
You
it
know.
off a
You-
piece.
You're breaking bread.
I'm a messy person. I'm a messy person.
Not more than me, you know. Yeah. Cheers,
Cheers,
my brother.
cheers with bread. This is
cheers, cheers, cheers.
You make this with Dad, he wake up happy on Sunday morning.
And it's healthy, you know. Oats. Yeah, nice
Oats,
oats in there, raisins.
Nice texture, nice taste.
Some butter with this one, yeah.
Fresh out the oven.
Get the recipe on cupofjoecaribbean.com, guys. Continue to